Hello everyone, welcome to Malik 034 channel. This is Malik Arjun, chapter 7 on Oracle database installation types. In my previous sessions, I explained about what is the difference between the standalone database and rack database, and these are the two types of databases available in Oracle. And also I explained about the entire Oracle database architecture, how it works, and what are the memory component, SGA, PGA, and what are the server processes, what are the backend processes, and what are my database file structures, physical files, everything I explained. And now coming to the installation type, I'm going to explain entire installation process in this single slide. If you see the installation type, basically start with the two types as per our database needs, whether it's a single instance or no, standalone, or it's a rack or real application cluster, right? And then if you are planning to install single instance or standalone, and then which OS file system which storage file system you are going to install, whether it is a OS file system, local file system, or it is a SAN, or NAS, or NFS, or OCFS, or any of this network file system, or it will be an ASM disk or ASM disk groups, right? Any of this storage structure in on any of on this storage environment, you can install your standalone database. So coming to the OS, local OS file storage, in that you can install your database in two modes, whether it's a OUI or silent installation. OUI is a Oracle Universal Installer. It's a GUI mode. It's a graphical user interface. You have to launch the GUI mode and then you install your database. So in that OUI mode, you can get two options. One, install Oracle Home plus database together in one shot, or you can install your Oracle Home using run installer, and then after installing your Oracle Home you can launch DBCA, right? Database configuration instance, DBCA. So that will create your database. So this option also is possible. And coming to the silent mode, in the silent mode there is no silent mode is command line mode. Basically there is no GUI, there is no graphical user interface. It's a command line. You have to pass and you have to install your Oracle Home and your database. So in this uh, silent mode, you have to install Oracle Home separate, and then you have to create your database separate. It's a silent mode installation. And then coming to this NAS storage or NFS storage, in this file system type also, either you can go with the OU silent mode. Whatever options I explained here, all these options are applicable on this NFS or NAS. In this file system also, all these options are applicable here. And coming to ASM disk or disk groups, you are first creating your ASM libraries. That ASM libraries, again you can go with the OUI creation or GUI mode. First you are going to create your ASM libraries. On top of this ASM libraries, that is called your clusterware libraries and grid infrastructure libraries. Clusterware and ASM libraries together you can call as a clusterware, starting with 10.2. So on top of this ASM libraries, you are going to create your Oracle Home and you are going to create your database. Again, these all options like OUI mode or silent mode, all these options are available here in this ASM mode of installation also. So basically I am talking about in single instance, all these different feasible options are available. Coming to the real application cluster, what you are going to do, you are going to install your real application cluster on your ASM disk groups, ASM disks. You are first providing your ASM disks, and then on top of that ASM disk you are going to install GI, grid infrastructure home. Grid infrastructure home is nothing but combination of your ASM home plus clusterware home, all both together. Grid infrastructure home you are going to install on the ASM disks or ASM disk groups. And then this GI installation can be done either OUR or silent mode. Once you install this GI installation, on top of that you can again go ahead with this Oracle creation, Oracle home creation and database creation, or Oracle home installation separate and database creation separate, or even you can use silent mode installation here. That option also possible. So basically what I'm trying to say here, there are so many n number of options for the installation of your database, installation of your GI, or creation of your database. These are the different combinations or feasible combination. A few of them I put it here, and apart from this there are few more scenario also, you can try it out. and then you can explore them. Thank you guys.